Hi everyone, today we are going to understand how multi-vendor food delivery works in the GoPack application. GoPack is a complete multi-service application where people can book different services. In this video we are going to discuss only food delivery. So now let's understand how food delivery works in GoPack. So now let's click on fast food to see what you see inside a category. So this is inside fast food category. You can see all the banners, all these banners admin can control. You can see all the categories available inside the fast food. You can see vendors nearby available by delivery or pickup. You can see the best selling products, and you can also see top sellers or top vendors on platform. If you want to see all the sellers, not just top sellers, click on view all vendors, and you can see all the sellers registered in this category. You can also see all products like this. Now let's click on a category to see the products inside it. And that's how you see products inside a category. Now add a product to cart. If you click on the product, you can see the product image, product name, product price, products add-on options and more other details. You can also increase the quantity like this. And now click on add to cart. And product has been added successfully. You can see the final total over here. Now if you have any discount code, you can put it over here to get additional discounts on the application. So now let's check out. Now if you want to give any tip to the delivery boy, enter it over here. If you want to write particularly about the order, you can write it in the notes section. Right now we are writing this message. Now enter your address over here. Just click on new, enter the name, enter the address. Now here you can also type your address, and you can also choose the map like this. So it will automatically take your live location, and you can also search a particular address. If you want to make this address as default, click on default and now click on save. And that's how you add a new address in GoPack application. Now choose your address. If you want this order to be pick up, not be delivered, then you can choose the pickup. Right now we are making it as delivery order. So the delivery man can pick up the order from the store and can deliver to our address. Now choose your payment method. The GoPack application supports many payment methods like cash on delivery, Stripe, Paystack, Razorpay, Flutterwave, Bill Please, Wallet Balance, PayPal, Paytm, PayU and much more. You can choose any of the payment method you want to. If you are an Indian person, then Razorpay and Paytm and PayU money is for you. So your customers can directly pay by credit card, debit card, UPI and much more. Right now I'm choosing cash on delivery. Remember, the admin can control all these payment gateway. We are going to understand that later in the video. Now here is the final total. You can see the final price, delivery fee and everything. Now click on place order. And that's how you place an order in GoPack application. So now let's open the restaurant app. So this is the seller or restaurant app. The seller can see this order like this. He can see the complete order detail, and now he can change the order status like this. And that's how a store or a restaurant accept the order. Now the store can manually assign a delivery boy like this. You can also active automatically order scheduling, and then the nearby delivery boy will automatically get the order. And now let's open the driver app, and that's how a driver receive a latest order. He can see the complete detail of order. He can chat or call with the customer and also with the seller. He can see the live location of the customer like this, and he can see the complete order details, what is the product, what is the quantity and everything. And then he can click on this long press to start button and he can start. And now let's assume the driver has reached to the customer place. So he will click on this button called long press to complete. After clicking on this button, the order will get complete. And yeah, that's how food delivery works in GoPack application. I hope you like this video. If you have any of the query or if you want to start your own application like GoPack, then drop a comment below so our team can connect with you, or you can also check the description box and directly connect with us. You can also see the number showing on the screen, or you can visit Ronix, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.